I'm about to make it easy to find the perfect desktop computers for you. In this video, I'm going to simplify dozens of hours of research to help you find out what the best desktop computer is going to be for your specific needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the very end so you don't miss anything. First up on my list is the Dell XPS desktop, my choice for the best desktop computer for the money. For starters, Dell's XPS is arguably the best value for money desktop with its futuristic design, flexible configuration, and reasonable price for the specs. Although they are cheaper than other desktop computers, the XPS offers incredible flexibility with its configurations. The XPS top configuration sports a 10-core, 3.7 GHz Core i5 12600K processor, an 8GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti VGA, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and a 2TB hard drive. While the entry-level one has just an older generation i5, 8GB of RAM, and an integrated graphics card. Although the base model of the XPS cost almost 1/3 of the highest spec'd version, I wouldn't recommend the entry-level XPS as the Dell Inspirion offers essentially the same specs for cheaper. Performance-wise, the fully spec'd model is incredible and can easily handle any productivity and gaming task. Heavy-duty software like Photoshop works smoothly, and thanks to the RTX 3060 Ti, you'll easily handle even the latest games in 2K and even some in 4K resolution. Although the fully spec'd XPS might look like a gaming desktop PC on the inside, design-wise, it offers a beautiful aluminum tower that makes it extremely elegant. So if you want a desktop PC that doesn't look edgy, but has more of a professional look to it, the Dell XPS is 100% the way to go. Dell's XPS is an incredible desktop PC for the money and will satisfy both hardcore gamers and professionals who need a powerful machine at a reasonable price. But the thing is, not everybody is going to want a traditional Dell Tower style PC, which is why I've included multiple options in this video. So whether you're a gamer, a student, professional, or anything in between, I've got you covered. Next on the list is the HP Envy 34 all-in-one PC, my choice for the best all-in-one PC. If you're looking for an all-in-one PC that is remarkably powerful, looks stunning, and has a sharp display, the HP Envy 34 is the best overall. The Envy 34 is arguably the machine for you if you want a powerful computer, but don't have the space for a tower in your room. Also, the Envy is an even better option than the Apple iMac if we strictly look at performance. HP's Envy equips an Intel i5 processor, an NVIDIA GTX 1650, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB SSD on the base model, and can be upgraded to an i7 processor, an RTX 3060 GPU, and 1TB SSD. Even Envy's base model can handle 4K editing and Photoshop easily, but it doesn't really shine with gaming unless you want to spend the extra dollar for the highest spec version. The all-in-one PC from HP has a gorgeous design and comes in one color: Turbo Silver. Additionally, you get a great wireless mouse and keyboard right out of the box that are pretty good. However, if you love your mechanical keyboard or a high-quality mouse, you'll likely need to upgrade both. The screen on the Envy is one of the best panels on a Windows PC. With its 5K 21:9 display, 500 nits of brightness, and anti-reflective coating, you're going to love Envy's screen for its spectacular and crisp colors. Such a high-quality display makes the HP Envy ideal for content creators and video editors. Although Envy's panel is nothing short of incredible, it is still not as sharp as the one on the Apple iMac. However, the image quality is very close. The Envy has some unique features that make it stand out from other all-in-one PCs, such as a 15-watt wireless charger built into the base of the PC stand. It also has a movable webcam, which is perfect if you do a lot of Zoom calls for work, and upgradable RAM and storage if you need additional power down the road. HP's Envy is arguably the best all-in-one PC, especially if you get the fully spec'd model. The HP Envy is hard to beat if you're looking for upgradability, a sleek design, and a stunning display for creative work. Next on my list is the Dell Inspirion 3671, my choice for the best affordable desktop PC. If you're working with a limited budget and want a compact but reasonably powerful machine, the Dell Inspirion 3671 is your best choice. The Inspirion 3671 is the perfect machine for those who use their PCs mainly for light work, web surfing, and some unpretentious gaming. In fact, it sports an Intel Core i5 9400 processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and an integrated UHD graphics 630. Although the Inspirion isn't a powerhouse when it comes to performance, you can handle mid-level gaming pretty easily, and you'll be satisfied with its performance if you don't play high-end games at high resolutions. The design is very simple and compact, which is perfect if you don't have too much space in your room. The mini tower is 15 inches tall and 12 inches deep, and with a weight of just 11.6 pounds. One of the biggest selling points of the Inspirion is the price, which is extremely low. For comparison, Dell's desktop PC cost at least half of the Dell XPS base model. At this affordable price, the Inspirion is a solid, everyday home computer that will handle the majority of basic tasks with ease. Now, even though it is one of the best affordable desktop computers on the market, it comes with some Wi-Fi hiccups, but this issue can actually be easily solved by simply connecting your PC with an Ethernet cable. Setting up the Inspirion is also extremely simple, and even the least tech-savvy user can get this thing running in just minutes. The PC comes already pre-assembled, but you'll need to provide a monitor, which is not included in the package. Dell's Inspirion is arguably the best affordable desktop PC for people who don't use heavy-duty software daily or aren't hardcore gamers. With its compact design and spectacular price, the Inspirion is a perfect option if you don't want to break the bank on a desktop PC. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and subscribing. The next computer on my list is the Apple iMac, my choice for the best all-in-one Apple desktop PC. The iMac is the best all-in-one Apple desktop PC with a mind-blowing screen, an improved webcam, and excellent performance for a Mac. One of the most striking upgrades of this new iMac is the design. You're probably used to Apple having the same designs for the devices over the years, but with the 2021 iMac, they decided to reinvent themselves. The new iMac comes in 7 different colors, which is green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue, and silver. Additionally, the 2021 iMac has a more rectangular design and is also as thin and compact as ever. So if you're a fan of Apple but started to feel like iMac's designs were outdated, the new 2021 iMac has a new, spectacular look. Apple's new iMac also comes with an improved panel, which was already spectacular on the older ones. The bezel is almost 50% smaller, which makes the 24 inches screen look even bigger. And the 4.5K Retina display, which equates to 4480 by 2520 pixels, is a game changer when it comes to the color brightness and crispness. The new iMac panel is leaps and bounds better than what you get on the Dell XPS, which already has a fantastic panel. Performance-wise, the iMac is very good, but could be better. It's not as powerful as the HP Envy, but it still sports the newest M1 chips, which make it about 85% faster than the previous models. The iMac feels incredibly smooth when navigating on the internet or performing like tasks, and even when put to the test with 8K video editing, the iMac works flawlessly. Although the iMac is one of the best all-in-one desktop PCs, it's quite pricey for the specs it offers, and it also has a minimal number of ports. So if you need a powerful desktop computer for heavy tasks like 3D rendering, gaming, or high-resolution video editing, there are better options like the Dell XPS or HP Envy. Apple's newest iMac is arguably the best all-in-one desktop PC for Apple fans with its spectacular display, solid build quality, and excellent performance. And the final desktop computer on my list is the Alienware Aurora R13, my choice for the best overall gaming desktop. Dell's Alienware Aurora R13 is without question the best and most powerful desktop PC for gaming on the market. The Aurora R13 is an incredibly powerful machine that will satisfy even the most hardcore gamer that wants to play their games fully maxed out. In fact, the Aurora 13 handles all current and likely future games at 4K resolution easily. Design-wise, the Alienware is spectacular, but Alienware's design is not for everyone. The Aurora R13 is full of RGB lights and has an edgy, aggressive design that most gamers will love. However, if you're someone who likes more discrete desktop PCs, you might not like the Alienware's flashy design. The most significant change from previous Alienware desktop PCs is the side panel, which used to be plastic but is now glass, improving the machine's overall design. The Aurora R13 is equipped with an Intel Core i9 i9 12900K, an RTX 3090, and 64 gigabytes of RAM, which makes it capable of handling every single game available on the market today and in the next few years without even breaking a sweat. If you're one of those gamers who hate when their games lag at higher resolutions, Alienware will handle all games with ease. Even notoriously resource-heavy games such as Cyberpunk 2077 run like a dream with 4K and RTX enabled. Although the Aurora R13 is an impressive machine, it doesn't come cheap. The Aurora R13 costs at least 3 times the Dell XPS if you want to go for the fully spec'd version. On top of that, because it is a device designed specifically for gaming, it doesn't handle well when you try to push the Alienware outside of gaming. If you often work with heavy CPU software like Adobe Premiere, the HP Envy might be a better option. Alienware's desktop PC is nothing short of incredible and definitely the best desktop computer for gamers. If you don't want to compromise your gaming experience or want an impressive looking and future-proof PC, there's no better choice than the Aurora 13. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.